Here at home, you've been watching this rain throughout the day. Such a massive amount of rain in such a short period of time down in Comal County.
And that's the place that got hit real hard last month from all that heavy rain, just upstream from New Braunfels and the Guadalupe River, but not like this one. This was a foot of rain and was obviously devastating in that area. Here locally, we continue to have some rain up in Milam County, as you can see, but that is beginning to push off now. You're looking at a radar loop since noon. You can see that's where the heaviest rain has been this afternoon. But numerous road closures have been reported up in Milam County. You folks up in that area, please be very, very careful, as it is a very, very dangerous situation still due to the runoff from this rain that we have seen in your area earlier, which, as we showed you a minute ago, 6, 7, 8 inches, maybe more in some locations. Now you're looking at Gillespie County under a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5:30, but there's not much really left of that little cell there southwest of Dawes. Still a little lightning and thunder, maybe some heavy rain, but it has weakened considerably. Doesn't even appear to be severe right now. Let's talk about this rainfall total again. This is just really, really something. Look down there on the lower portion of your screen, the bright purple area, that is a foot of rain. And yeah, that's a radar estimate, but we have confirmed in a rain gauge there just a few miles to the northwest of New Braunfels, 11.87 inches. So we believe the radar is estimating almost exactly right how much rainfall fell there in and around the New Braunfels area. Obviously a tragedy for the life lost there. This is at least the second or third time that the very popular tube rental place down there in New Braunfels on the Guadalupe Rock and R has been, if not wiped out, heavily damaged by flooding over the last 3 years. And again today, major flood right down the Guadalupe. The rain fell just above the Guadalupe and Comal River, and then that flood wave rushed right on down and into the Seguin area. We have multiple reports coming in this evening on our 6, our 9 o'clock broadcast, and at 10 o'clock of the aftermath of both this flooding and what's happening on downriver for you, but you can see why it happened. Now, in Austin, this is nice. 2, 3, 4 inches. We talked about some isolated 3 to 5 inch rainfall totals last night. We saw fairly widespread 3-inch, 2 to 3 inch rainfall totals around the metro area. In our eastern county, some 3, 4 inch totals, maybe some 4 to 6 inch totals, even down in parts of Fayette County, according to the radar. But you got right back here to the border of the hill country, and I mean, there was almost nothing in most of the hill country out of this system last night, because we were on the wet side of this upper low that moved right up the eastern hill country. Now tonight the low is moving away. We're still under a flash flood watch. This is going to be in effect through noon tomorrow. We could see more rainfall tonight, seeing some develop back here in the hill country now. But the bulk of the rainfall tonight should be near the center of that low, which is up east of Waco now. Temperatures currently 79 in Llano, 84 in Georgetown, 88 degrees down in LaGrange. Our evening planning forecast, 85 in the city now, 83 at 8 and 80 at 10, with potentially some light rain developing later tonight and in the overnight period again. 85 to 87 and mostly cloudy here in the metro area currently, with a 7-mile-per-hour wind. A high mold count today, as you might suspect, nearly 9,000 in fact. We think the mold will be high, maybe a little lower tomorrow, and grass in the low category. Around the state, very hot out west, 99 in Midland, 101 in El Paso, 79 degrees in the Dallas area. Here's the water vapor imagery, 5 o'clock this morning. That bullseye of training rainfall repeating and developing over and over in the same area right around the center of that low. There it is on the radar loop as it slowly moves out today, and you can clearly see the center of the circulation has now lifted to the northeast of us. Now, it won't be very far to the northeast. We could certainly see some rain on the backside of that thing tomorrow. In fact, our computer model, tonight and tomorrow, our computer model develops some activity overnight from Austin eastward, and then tomorrow tries to flare some more rain up here, even in the Austin area. But I think after tomorrow, we're going to be drying out as we head into the weekend with lower rainfall chances. Here are your lows tonight, low and mid-70s. Here are your highs tomorrow. Should be a little bit hotter with less rain around. Tonight, rain possible, 74. Tomorrow, clouds, more clouds than sun, but some afternoon showers, thunderstorms, even in the morning. Some showers, thunderstorms, possibility. 7-day forecast. At least a 40% chance tomorrow. Now, that's higher east of Austin, a little lower in the hill country. We'll call it an average about a 40% probability. And after tomorrow, rain probability is quite a bit lower, and those temperatures, unfortunately, come right back up toward the mid-90s, Leslie.
Okay, Jim, thank you.